Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Mitsuko, so thank you so much for watching this video. So today I want to share with you one of the ways I do my wash and go, which is actually something I recently started doing, maybe like a year ago. Before that, I wasn't doing wash and goes because it never worked for me in the past. It was just taking too long to dry, but now I have the technique and I do it all the time. I will be using this gel from Aunt Jackie's. This is their Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. I love this one. I've been using it for a while now and I think it's amazing because it doesn't flake. A little bit goes a long way, and also it makes my hair feel soft. Now if you do use a lot, then your hair will end up feeling crispy. It won't flake, but once you add water you will feel how wet and slimy it is, so that's when you know you put too much. Been there, done that. Then you will need a brush. I love this one from Pattern for my hair texture. I feel like it detangles my hair really fast. Like I use it in the shower. When I have my conditioner, I just use this to detangle my hair. It feels amazing and I love it. So you also need some hair ties. So I'm going to split everything in half. So that's why I have 2. And then you need a water bottle and then some clip. I have 4. As you can tell, my hair is pretty dry. I washed it yesterday and I did a mask just to make sure my hair is hydrated before I do the wash and go. And I'm going to remove the hair tie. I'm going to split my hair in half. Okay, it doesn't have to be even. Okay, going to get a clip. And then I'm going to split that also in half. Okay, going to start with the back. Perfect. So this is what my hair looks like. Okay, it is pretty soft, but I feel like I still need the water just to make sure it's a little bit softer, you know? So I'm going to take another hair clip, just put that right there. I'm going to use my water bottle. I just have water in there. I'm going to take my water bottle and then spray my hair. I want it to be damp, but not like dripping wet. So I'm just finger detangling just to make sure everything is good to go. Now when I wash my hair, I did detangle it already, so everything should be good to go. Okay. I am going to split that again in half just to have a smaller section. So I'm going to take a little bit of the gel, maybe this much. And then I'm going to apply it. And then I'm going to just finger detangle just to make sure everything is spread out. It does need more gel, so I'm going to take a little bit more. And I'm going to put it at the ends and then bring it up. You can start seeing the definition. Going to take the brush just to detangle that. Start with the ends and then slowly go up. I'm starting to get the definition, but I feel like I could add a little bit more gel. And I like to do small sections just because the bigger the section, I find that the hair doesn't get defined as much. So I'm just making sure everything is good to go. So this is what my hair looks like once I'm done. And this is enough for me. Just gonna play with it where it naturally separates. So this is what I get for the back. I'm just going to use a clip, pull that to the side for now, and then start with this one. Just going to split that in half. and then repeat the same steps. So this is what my hair looks like so far. The back, I find that is already drying. This half is done. I'm going to finish the other half and then come back. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. So this is the first half that I did. This is the second one I did off camera. So usually when I do this, I like to separate it in half, just let it air dry. So I'm going to show you what I do. Okay, I'll take one side, and you don't have to tug on it really hard. Just take an elastic, and then I like to put it like this. See, like that. And then make sure everything is stretched so it can dry well. Okay, and then see how it's pulling this side and it's not gonna let it air dry normally. So I'm going to make sure it's at the front. There you go. That way all of it can dry normally. So I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. This is what my hair looks like when it's all done. I'll let it air dry and I'll show you what it looks like tomorrow. Hi, so this is day 2. I wanted to show you what my hair looks like once it's fully dried. Yesterday I didn't do anything. I just woke up, worked, and basically stayed home. But today I'm going out and I just want to show you what the hair looks like once it's fully dried, and show you what I do for the next step. So the back of my head will be flat, but you can always go back, add a little bit more water, fluff it up, just give it some life again. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm just going to remove this. So if you're looking for a lot of definition, then skip the next step. Just style your hair and then you should be good to go. Typically, I'll just pin everything to the side and I can still do it, but I wanted to have more volume. So I'm going to show you what I do. So again, I'm just separating the hair. You're gonna need obviously the clips. You're gonna need a pick. This one is from Pattern. I got it in the set from Sephora. I love the set. I've been using every brush in the set and it's awesome. You will also need water, and then you don't need more gel unless you want that extra definition. You can always go in after once it's dry, just to add a little bit to, let's say if you have some strands that are not as defined, you can always go back and then tweak it. But I feel like I have enough product in my hair. I don't want to add more. So I'm just going to wet my hair. Just enough that you can feel it at the roots, but not like dripping wet, if you know what I mean. So see, now everything is super supple, and I'm going to play with it just to make sure everything is well distributed. And then at the front, I'm probably gonna have to, you know, add a little bit more water and gel just to make sure the curls back, because I don't know what this is. Okay, so I'm just going to play with it. Okay, just making sure everything is all good. And then I'll go in with the pick, and then I'll just pick only the roots, okay? Only the roots. And I like to do this when my hair is damp, or, you know, I have a little bit of water. So this is what the back looks like. Okay, and as you can tell, I don't have as much definition at the back, which is fine. So I'm just going to do the same thing. Okay. So I'm just adding the water, making sure everything is good. Okay, so that is everything for now. I'm going to wait for my hair to dry and then I'll show you what it looks like at the end of the day. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like on day 3. I didn't do anything on day 2, so I just wanted to show you what it looks like. And I'm pretty happy. You can tell I have more volume. I still have definition and I'm pretty happy with what it looks like. So I'm going to show you how I style my hair, and it's pretty simple. I just take an elastic like this and I basically gather all the hair. Okay, and I just pull it around gently, of course, like this, and then I push it back. I'm going to pick my hair a little bit. I'm going to do that until I have the shape that I'm looking for. Usually the front of my hair, it has the most volume, whereas the back doesn't, so I usually like to pick the back a little bit just to help it. So that is everything. If I want my hair to last longer, I can just add a little bit of water mixed with a tiny amount of leave-in conditioner. That always helps, keeps in the moisture, just because the gel sometimes I find isn't super hydrating. So if you want to bring that moisture back, just add some leave-in and water and you should be good to go. I will also link in the description box a couple accounts on YouTube that I follow. Now these girls give great information on natural hair, so I'm sure you can learn a lot from them because I have. So don't forget to check out the description box. So that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any comments, suggestions, let me know down below. If you haven't done it already, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.